Hi everybody, I'm Andrea Ali, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create this look that I'm wearing right now. I'm going to talk about the new Dior Forever foundation, the two formulas, the Dior Forever and the Dior Forever Skin Glow. I've applied them both, so you will have my opinion on these two foundations. I've been using quite a few new products for my channel, and I'm actually curious to see if you've used them as well. Like, what's your opinion about it? So this video is not just a first impression for the Dior Forever foundation, but in this video you also learn how to create the look that I'm wearing right now. And it's a little bit more sophisticated. A lot of women, especially women that come to my course, tell me like, this is the kind of look that I'm looking for. So I know that a lot of women look good, look very fresh and rested with this kind of colors. So that's why I wanted to use more rosy, pinkish kind of tones. I really like the way the look turned out. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that ring bell button. This way you're gonna be notified whenever I'm posting a new video. And now, if you'd like to see how I've created this look and what is my opinion about the Dior Forever foundation, then please keep on watching. I've already moisturized, but I'm going to use this Clinique Moisture Surge on top of everything that I've used already for my skincare, because so many of you told me that this is amazing, and I've actually tried it a few times. What I don't like about skincare is dimethicone, because I don't like the feeling. It's not because it's dangerous, it's not because it does something bad for your skin. I just don't like the feeling unless it's a primer. So I use it only, in some parts of my face. The thing about this cream is that it makes an amazing primer. Now let's talk about the new Dior foundation, the new Dior Forever foundation. So this is the Dior Forever, and then this is the Dior Forever Skin Glow. And I've just received them, and I'm going to use them for the very first time. I'm going to use them both. I will apply on one side the matte, and on the other side I will apply the Skin Glow. Although I've already tested on my skin, the matte formula obviously gets matte instantly right after you apply it. The Glow formula is super hydrating. It stays like glowy on the skin from what I've noticed. So the skin did not absorb all that moisture. But let's get into it. Let's see what is this foundation supposed to give you. So first of all, the Dior Matte comes in 36 shades, the Dior Forever. I would call it matte because it's the matte one. And then the Skin Glow comes in 31 shades. It says that it's a 24-hour foundation, so it's supposed to last for 24 hours. The complexion coverage remains flawless. The skin appears plump and its texture tightened. Now, some details about the Forever Skin Glow. It's a long-wearing foundation formula. Now offers a radiant finish. The complexion appears flawless and even the pores tighten from morning to night to reveal the skin's full sensuality. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's just apply this foundation. I'm going to apply it with a brush because this is how I normally like to apply my foundation. I'm going to start with the matte one. I am the color 2WO. I like to get my foundation a little bit more on the yellow side, although my face is kind of a pinkish neutral tone, but then the rest of my body is definitely a warm olive undertone. What I love about this foundation is that it's easy to understand for what kind of undertone it is. For example, I'm 2WO. WO comes from warm olive, just like the Dior Backstage. So the Dior Backstage has the same thing. I will apply the matte foundation. First, I like to spread it with my fingers. Then I come with this Laura Mercier brush. This is a blending brush. So for half of my face, I've applied one full pump. It's a very pretty finish, definitely has coverage, looks like skin, matte. It did not cover everything, so it doesn't have full coverage. I would say medium. Let's see if I want more coverage, although I'm happy with what I have right now. But let's just try it. Maybe some of you are looking for more coverage. So I've applied about half a pump. Definitely, if you're looking for more coverage, you could build this foundation. I'm very impressed with the finish. I like this foundation so far. I'll move on with the Forever Skin Glow. Same color, different finish. Let's see. I'll do it the same way. I applied with my fingers first. Very beautiful. Again, I've only applied one layer. I'll go on with a little bit more right here where I have some imperfections just to see if it covers. As you can see, this is so much more glowy than the other one. Like, check this out. What can I say? It does pretty much what it says it does. Like, I definitely see that my pores look smaller. This side is so much more hydrated, so dewy, but not as, not greasy. It's just luminous. I can see my pores on this side. I prefer a matte foundation, but not, I have my moments. Sometimes I like it matte. Sometimes I like it very glowy and dewy. I like them both. I'm so impressed. Am I the last person to try Dior Forever? All of you were like, try Dior Forever, try Dior. Okay, I really like it. You were right. It's like it's blended with my skin. You know how sometimes when you are wearing a foundation that has coverage, kind of sits on top of your skin, it doesn't like blend with your skin. This feels literally like a second skin. Very, very impressed with the foundation. I'm going to move on with the rest of the products because I want to create like a beautiful look. Remember when I told you that, when my foundation is so yellow, I will be able to sort of transform it because I am aware of the fact that it looks kind of yellow. I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. And this is not just a great concealer, but it's a great color. Custard is one of their most popular color, no doubt. But there is a reason why. It has this color that has just a tiny bit of peach undertone to it. Just a little bit. Just enough to make you look fresh. And I'll demonstrate that to you. I'll take my concealer with the Sephora 57 brush. Did I mention how good this brush is for concealer and how I was surprised to see it was like 27 euros? I do not want to apply too much concealer right here where I have the wrinkles. I know that some of you complain that, oh my god, after I apply concealer, my wrinkles show even more. I know exactly what you're saying, but it matters a lot how you apply that concealer. So apply it more on the center, like right here, okay? And then move on towards the eye, under your eyes. There is no reason for you to apply concealer right here, like right at the base of your lashes. No reason. What you are interested in covering is this part. This is what makes you look tired. And then right here. Okay? So you take the concealer, you apply it right here. I'm telling you, this is going to make a huge difference. Then what's left on my brush, I like to apply it on my brow bone, on my eyelids, just a tiny little bit. Because for me, concealer, it can make a great base for eyeshadow. And can you see how I just brighten the eye area? And I don't know, it's just working so well with the color of my skin, this custard. I love it so much. The same concealer I applied on the middle of the face, like bridge of the nose, tiny bit between my eyebrows, just so that everything makes sense. Now I'll move on with my setting powder, Laura Mercier. It is my favorite. As usual, make sure there's no product that creased. Then immediately you come with the powder and you set the under eyes. It just blurs the skin where you've applied the powder. I also like to apply powder like on the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to take this bronzing powder. This is from 1944. That's the name of the brand. It's a Parisian brand. You can find it online. 1944 comes from the year when women in France started to have the right to vote. So I think it's a very nice brand. I love their concept. I've tried a few of their products and they're very good. I'll take this product with an It Cosmetics airbrush powder brush. Has a beautiful color. Not a crazy pigment, which can be good. Depends on what you're looking for. We're gonna move on with the eyes, and I'm going to use this Elise Fass cream eyeshadow. This is in E114, and it's this color right here. It's such a pretty color. You have to use a tiny, and I mean a tiny little bit. I was looking for a brush. I'll take a very, very small brush like this one. This is number 3 from Diego Dalla Palma. It's basically a lip brush. And I will apply this right at the base of my lashes. Wow, this is such a pretty color. And I extend the eyeshadow right here at the end of my eye. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We're not looking for perfection right now because I'm going to go on with this blending brush. What's amazing about this eyeshadow is that it's giving you time to blend. It's not going to dry immediately after you apply it. So I'm going to blend it. This is a Hakuhodo brush, but you can absolutely use a 221 brush from MAC. That's one of my favorites. Oh, what a pretty color, guys. I will apply one more layer the same way, same brush. I just wanted a little bit more intense right at the base of those lashes. And then blend it. Look how easy it blends. Ooh. Love it. Guys, this is so pretty just as it is, isn't it? Next, I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is from Nude Envy and it's called Risk. It's a very beautiful, plummy eyeshadow. And I will apply it right at the end of my eye, at the outer corner. Sort of extend this. But I'm also applying it in the crease. Put like very, very little pressure for the crease. I mostly focus it at the outer corner. Then I take a clean blending brush. This is a Morphe M514 brush. And I blend it. I'm also applying that eyeshadow on top of the cream eyeshadow. Oh, look how beautiful it turned out. Now with the clean, well, it's not clean anymore, but with that blending brush, the Morphe, I sort of blend this. I still want the color to be focused at the base of my lashes. Alright, now I'm going to apply this Nude Envy Desire color with the Laura Mercier. I've just started to use her brushes. It's called All Over Eye. Everywhere except for the crease. I'm trying to stay away from the crease. Trying to still keep that darker color at the base of my lashes. I'm going to apply this Fenty Beauty Fly Liner right at the base of my lashes. But I mean right at the base. Just to give the illusion of very, very black eyelashes. And then I will also do like a very sharp inner corner. Kind of like this. I'm going to follow the shape with this eyeliner. I'm going to go on by using the same colors that I was using on my mobile lid. meaning this desire and then this risk. I'll take first the desire with the Laura Mercier brush, and I'll use it on the lower lash line. Now I'll take the other color, Risque, and I will apply it at the outer corner. I'll take the Tarte Double Take eyeliner, and I will apply a little bit of the gel liner, like on the waterline, but more on the outer part. Now I'm going to apply this mascara from Elise Face. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'll apply the mascara on my lower lashes as well. Now I want to highlight that inner corner, and I'll use this color right here from the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. This is in 004. Anyway, it looks like this. Oh no, this is a secret camouflage brush from Laura Mercier. A lot of Laura Mercier brushes today. Not sponsored, just found them in there. Thought I should use them. Do you guys remember Fort de France? I haven't used it because I broke it a long time ago. I'll take it with a Anastasia 823 brush. Oh, how pretty this is. You guys, this is such a pretty highlighter. It's back. I'll take this blush from NARS Dolce Vita with the Hakuhodo B110 brush. Let me try this Nude Envy lip liner. This is in Timeless. Let's see how it looks like. Now I'm applying this lip gloss. It's not a bad color actually. This lip gloss is from Miraness. Never heard of this brand. It's number 8. Very like wearable color. Now let's set everything with the MAC Fix Plus, but I've put it in this device, and in my other video you guys were asking me, what is this device? Where can I find it? I have no idea the name, but I know that you can find it on Amazon. Look for like Nano Spray or something like that. And if you haven't seen me using this before, this is the device that transforms any like spray, setting spray, into a very fine mist. Like, check this out. What this does is going to give your skin a lot of glow. And I don't know if you can see, but the skin is like super, super glowy. Definitely more glowy on this side. Now this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that ring bell button and also follow me on Instagram. I'd love to see you guys in there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You didn't even tell me that I'm pretty. I mean, with this makeup, I don't know, how could you not? I'm not gonna answer. I know exactly.